Struggling to find where to add your About Me in Salesforce? Learn the exact 5 clicks to update your profile in under 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add your About Me section. It's simpler than you think. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, click on your profile picture to open your personal settings. Now, click the pen icon below your profile picture to edit your details. In the text field that appears, type in your About Me information. Once you're done, click Save to update your profile. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.